So today I'm gonna show you how to fix ratchet straps that get stuck. Okay, so I just fixed this one. Look how nice this one is. See, it turns with one hand. Easy. Okay? And here's a stiff one. They get stiff over time. And also, this one, see, it doesn't move at all. This one, it does. Okay, anyway, these get stiff over time. See, I can't even flatten it with one hand because it's so stiff. We're just gonna want to get it like this, put it in a triangle position, get some WD-40 or any other lubricant that has oil in it. Okay, we're just gonna spray it right here. See this? Shake the bottle a little bit. Not too much, just like that. And you're gonna want to spray the gears too. They get stuck together over time. They get corroded. This trigger is really sensitive. I'm not trying to spray a lot, but it's a sensitive trigger. And just like that. Okay. Let it dry for a little bit. And it's pretty much good. Look at that. Doing it with one hand now. And that's a quick fix. Have ratchets that get stuck. Thanks for watching.